Welcome to day 20 of the Self-Love Meditation Challenge. Loving yourself is fulfilling the purpose of the universe. You have been put on this earth with a higher purpose and a higher self within. The final goal of self-love is connecting to this higher power and connecting to the higher self. You have a purpose on this earth. You are part of a bigger universal vision and mission. And when you are in the state of self-love, you are able to clearly see and faster connect to the reason why you are here. When you are in a state of your higher self, you have no fear, no doubt. All you feel is clarity, certainty, direction, purpose, fulfillment, and love. Now allow your body to feel all these powerful and purposeful emotions. And as you go deeper into meditation today, you will know that all these emotions are not new. You are simply reconnecting to the truth that was always within you. Through self-love, you allow your purpose to flourish and to present itself. Your purpose might be to guide other people to self-love, might be helping others, might be creating for this world. But make no mistake, if you are here on this earth, you have a higher purpose and you have a higher self. Now take a deep cleansing breath in and a deep cleansing breath out. One more deep inhale here and a deep, long exhale. Take one more inhale in and slow exhale out. As you go deeper into the meditation, allow this thought in your mind. I connect to my life's purpose and to my higher self. I connect to my life's purpose and to my higher self. As you slowly come back from your meditation, you might have questions. Questions like, what is my higher purpose? What am I here for? The answer to that is to allow to connect to your higher self, to the place where there's only certainty, there's clarity, there's courage, there's joy, and there is love. From that place, your life purpose will simply present itself. Whenever you're ready, open your eyes.